This guy is the most patient person in the world because while most content creators like to chase trends, he spends months or even years filming a single plant grow. And despite living in a quiet, remote part of China, his videos still reach millions of people around the world. And he does this all for a good reason, as every day he places his camera in the same position, then meditates in the exact same spot with the same clothes each time. And over time, each frame captures the remarkable growth of plants with their flowers blooming and dying, letting us see the entire life cycle of a plant in just a few seconds.